If you people watch K-dramas, you know that a new K-drama named Weak Hero Class 2 is gonna release this month. But there are a lot of K-dramas that are coming, right? So why is there so much hype around Weak Hero Class 2? So allow me to tell you that bro, it's not just hype. It's a damn weight. Season 1 came and left people gasping. Like, not even exaggerating, that drama wasn't just good. It was an experience. Raw fights, heavy betrayal, trauma hitting left and right, and the way it ended, we were like, nah, this can be it. People been sitting tight for years, refreshing news, looking for updates, and now finally it's back and on Netflix. And that's why everyone's losing it. Now, if you're wondering why all this noise though, so let me tell you that Weak Hero Class 1 wasn't some typical school fight drama. It starts with this quiet, weak looking guy, Yeon Seon. This kid looks like he can barely lift a chair, but mess with him and he'll destroy you. Not with his punches, but with his brain. Cold, calculating, terrifyingly smart. He uses books, tools, traps, stuff no one expects. But what really made it hit? The bonding. He finds these two guys in school, Suho, who is the muscle and ride or die loyal, and Byamsuk, who is a bit complicated. That trio, it felt like a family until it all burns. But why was it outstanding? I mean, what was so special about this K drama? Well, because this K drama didn't try to be perfect. It was raw. The violence wasn't glamorized. It was ugly. The characters weren't black and white. They were grey. And the cinematography, clean, moody, sharp. Every episode hit like a punch. An audience felt that shit. It wasn't just watching characters, it was watching trust build and then shatter. That Byung-suk betrayal, that Suho hospital scene, the silence, the looks, the breakdowns, it was insane. Everyone was like, yo, this is more real than half of the K-dramas out there. And Seon's character, Park Ji-hoon just nailed it. No idol boy softness, just a cold stare, bruised face, blood and brain. So yeah, Weak Hero Class 1 wasn't hyped randomly. It earned it. Gritty storytelling, minimal dialogue, max emotion. People saw trauma, loyalty, survival, not just fights for ego. And that is why it stood out. And that's why people still talk about it after 3 years. And now Weak Hero Class 2 is coming. Season 2 is coming and it's bringing heat. Seon's in a new school trying to stay low, but obviously that's not happening. New gang called Alliance running shit, new characters stepping in like Park Hoo-min, Jun Taik, Hyun Tak. The cast already looks wild. We are talking power plays, gang pressure, street codes. And Seon, he's still cold. Or maybe colder now. He's not just fighting bullies anymore. He's getting pulled into territory wars, and we know damn well that he's gonna break some minds before he himself breaks down. The audience isn't just expecting more fights this time. We want that emotional wreckage again, that betrayal, that one moment where everything snaps and you just sit back like, damn. If Class 1 gave us pain, Class 2, you better give us war. So yeah, that was all about Weak Hero and the hype around it. And tell me in the comments, are you excited for Weak Hero Class 2?